Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to do this where it looks like the bottom is out of the light. And now that I think about it, I think I made my squares maybe a little bit too big. So I'm just gonna draw it over. It's pretty easy. I'm gonna draw a 1 inch. I'm gonna lock my ratio. I'm gonna go 1 inch. I'm gonna fill it with black with left click, right click, no outline. I'm gonna set my nudge factor on 1.25. The first one I just did like 1.1. Maybe I'll go a little bit more than that. I'm gonna delete that and I'm gonna change it to 1.5. And then I'm gonna Control D and make a duplicate. And I'm hoping this is what he's wanting. And then just keep Control D, Control D, Control D. This way we're gonna have more white lines. Control D and then move them down about the same amount of blocks. Doesn't have to be perfectly square, but we'll make it square or semi-square. Then to make this work with the lens tool, you need to group this together, Control G and then hit P. And then we're gonna take an ellipse and I'm going to put P and put it in the center of the page. So I'm way too big. Whoop. So I'm going to take this ellipse, holding down the shift key, grabbing that corner, will grow from the inside out. Now, my ellipse is selected, and that's important. Go to Effects, Lens, and let's go to Fisheye, and it does that. So this is going to look better. Then I'm going to freeze it. What freezing does is takes it where I can manipulate it, or makes it all together. I am going to right click, no outline. I don't want that. I've got a little bad spot. I've got a couple of bad spots. Let's try that again. Let's take an ellipse, hit P, lens effect, because it's selected, freeze it, and then let's nudge it out of the way. That looks pretty good. Then I'm going to right click, no outline. Now here's the key. There is a white background for some reason. I'm going to go to Object, Order, Backup Page, and you see the white object. So this thing, or the white item below it. So it's 22. I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 25. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to go to Object and Group and ungroup it. Now I'm going to try to grab the white. And I grabbed a ghost, so I'm just going to delete it. And then I'm going to grab the white and I'm going to move it over. And by chance, if you got the black, you could move it over and move it back. Now we're going to make that a light gray. And then I'm going to get the interactive fill tool. And I'm just going to swipe through here, but I'm going to make this in black. Now, you know what? I'm going to go straight up and down on this one. And then I'm going to bring this, I just want a little bit of a black. And you can make it, whiter up top or whatever you want to do. And now this is not a group anymore, so we're going to Control G and group it, and then move it over, and it appears to have a little shadow at the bottom. Now, to change it in real life, if you will select this and move it over, that is selected. So now you can get the interactive fill tool and you can change that and make your black blacker and have it at an angle and make it wider up top. It gives it the appearance that that a light is shining on it and this is dark. I'm hoping that's what he was wanting. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.